Ever wondered how the keto diet helps you burn fat like a pro? It's not magic, it's science. This low-carb, high-fat diet forces your body into a metabolic state called ketosis, where fat becomes your primary fuel source. That means more energy, fewer cravings, and a faster route to weight loss. But how does it really work? Let's break it down. Your body usually runs on carbohydrates. When you eat bread, pasta, or sugar, your system converts those carbs into glucose, which provides quick energy. The problem? Glucose burns fast, leaving you hungry and craving more food. That's where keto flips the script by drastically cutting carbs and replacing them with healthy fats. Your body runs out of glucose and starts looking for an alternative fuel source. That's when it shifts into ketosis. In ketosis, your liver breaks down fat into molecules called ketones, which power your brain and muscles. The result? You burn fat for energy instead of storing it. The benefits go beyond weight loss. Ketosis stabilizes blood sugar, reduces inflammation, and keeps your energy levels steady throughout the day. No more sugar crashes, no more mid-afternoon slumps, just pure, steady fuel from your own fat reserves. Getting into ketosis isn't instant. It typically takes 2 to 5 days of eating under 50 grams of carbs per day. The good news? You can speed up the process by staying active, drinking plenty of water, and adding healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil to your meals. One common mistake is fearing fat. Keto is a high-fat diet, and embracing good fats is key. Think coconut oil, butter, fatty fish, and cheese. The more you train your body to rely on fat, the deeper into ketosis you go. Another mistake? Eating hidden carbs. Many foods marketed as keto-friendly still contain sneaky sugars and starches that kick you out of ketosis. Always check labels and stick to whole, unprocessed foods. That if you're feeling sluggish at first, don't panic. This is the keto flu, a temporary phase as your body adapts. Stay hydrated, replenish electrolytes with salt, potassium, and magnesium, and power through. It gets easier. Keto isn't just a diet, it's a lifestyle shift. Once your body learns to burn fat efficiently, you'll feel unstoppable. More energy, better focus, and sustainable weight loss without starving yourself. What's not to love? Have you tried keto before? What was your experience like? Let's chat in the comments.